Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Chromatic for visual regression testing in UI, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have a suitable development environment set up. Open your project directory in a terminal or command prompt. Install Chromatic by using the command npm install savedev chromatic. Log into Chromatic using the command npx chromatic login. Follow the prompts to authenticate your account. Next, create a new storybook project if you haven't already. Generate the storybook files by running npxsb init. Ensure that your storybook is functioning correctly by starting it with npm run storybook. Once you have confirmed that storybook is working, prepare it for Chromatic. Add the Chromatic script to your package.json under scripts. It should look something like this: Chromatic, npx chromatic. Now, run the Chromatic script by entering npm run chromatic. This will automatically build your storybook and deploy it to Chromatic. Once the build is complete, visit the Chromatic dashboard to view your deployed storybook. Here, you can see any changes made and how they affect your UI visuals. To run visual regression tests, create a new branch for your changes. Make your UI adjustments or component updates within this branch. After making your changes, commit them and push the branch to your repository. Run the Chromatic command again to deploy the latest version of your storybook. Check the dashboard for new visual snapshots that have been captured. Review the snapshots to identify any visual discrepancies. If discrepancies are found, you can either approve the new visuals or address the issues. To approve changes, click on the Approve button next to the visual tests. If you're satisfied with the updates, merge your branch back into the main branch. Incorporate visual regression testing as part of your development workflow. Regularly check Chromatic for updates after every significant change. Utilize the review tools available in Chromatic to maintain UI consistency. Finally, familiarize yourself with the documentation provided by Chromatic for advanced features and troubleshooting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.